Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to troubleshoot a Sony TV with a blinking red light. A blinking red light on your Sony TV is a signal that something's wrong, and the number of blinks tells you what. Let's break down what each blink sequence means and what you can do about it. First, if your Sony TV blinks twice, start with the basics. Make sure your TV is plugged in properly and getting power. Try unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple power cycle often resolves minor glitches. If you see 3 blinks, it usually indicates a connection problem. Carefully check all the cables connected to your TV, especially the HDMI cables. Make sure they are securely plugged in on both the TV and the source device. If possible, try a different HDMI cable to rule out a faulty cable. 4 blinks on your Sony TV are more serious, usually indicating an issue with the TV panel itself. In this case, it is best to contact Sony support for further assistance. They have the expertise to diagnose and address panel-related problems. 5 blinks point to a potential issue with the TV's backlight or power supply unit. Like panel problems, these are best handled by professionals. Contact Sony support to discuss repair or replacement options. 6 blinks mean there might be a problem with the TV's logic board, which is a critical component. Similar to previous situations, contact Sony support for help. Lastly, if your Sony TV blinks 8 times, it usually signals a power supply issue. Try unplugging your TV and leaving it unplugged for at least 30 minutes. Then plug it back in and see if the problem persists. If it does, it is best to contact Sony support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.